Let's check on everything that comes with 70MAI A200 set. So first of all, as you can see, this box is kind of brand new. I've only removed this wrapper. Then I'm just gonna open it, and after that we'll be able to see all of the accessories. So first thing is a cardboard. Probably inside we'll be able to find the instructions, warranties, and etc. So we have the window stickers as well as the instructions as predicted. There's also this double-edged tape, so you can attach it to something, and also there's a bigger one. So that is the first box, and then we have the second box, and here we'll be able to find the cigarette mount, cigarette lighter mount with USB plug. You can use it if you want. We can also find the tool for attachment. We can find the cables. Those are pretty long. I'm not sure about the length. I will try to include the length in the description, but this is simple USB-C to USB cable. And another one is the HDMI mini, I think, and the other cable to your car. Then we have the mount with the with this duct tape sticker. And now we have the camera and the second camera. This one goes in front, and the other one that I've removed goes on back. So that is all of the accessories that this device comes with. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.